Hello, viewers. My name is Laura Castillo, and I'm a master's student at the USF Patel College of Global Sustainability in the Food Sustainability and Security concentration. And for my academic capstone experience, I completed a farm internship at Fat Beet Farm in Tampa, Florida, located on a coastal property along a creek of the Upper Tampa Bay. The farm operates various sustainability initiatives, and part of the farm's mission is to, quote, feed people food with integrity in a beautiful setting and show everyone how to eat well without destroying the land that it is grown in, end quote. The internship program consisted of an 8-week rotation period where I had the opportunity to work in the various sustainability initiatives. And the remaining weeks of the internship were concentration focused, where I was assigned to the aquaponics concentration.
During the garden concentration, we used organic methods to prepare the field for the season by enriching the soil with compost, hand weeding, and co-planting mutually beneficial crops to enhance biodiversity and promote optimal plant growth.
To advance the Fat Beet Farm Foundation's education initiatives, fellow intern Dylan Wilbur and I created a short video and a newsletter highlighting the importance of native living shorelines, and we used the living shoreline on the farm as an example.
During the microgreens concentration, I learned about the process of blanching, where microgreen seeds are subject to dark conditions, which promotes stem elongation as the seedlings searched for light. The stem remnants and grow mediums were repurposed as chicken feed or compost. During the concentration period, a typical day starts off by tending to the animals and keeping accountability on the Jolt app, where we check off our daily tasks such as collecting eggs, letting the chickens out of their coop, and feeding and relocating the goats. In the aquaponics hoop house, we seed the coconut coir grow plugs to ensure there is constant lettuce supply to harvest. The plants that are large enough for transplanting are mapped out on floating rafts and placed in creeks to grow for 4 weeks prior to harvest. It's important that we monitor the water's pH levels as well as the nitrates and nitrites to ensure the health of the fish and the plants.
And now I would like to present my proposal to the farm. In order to expand on the agritourism opportunities at Fat Beet Farm, I'm proposing that the farm implement an aquaponics specific tour that is advertised as an introduction to aquaponics. Guests will be able to learn how the farm uses aquaponics on site, and they will leave with a basic understanding of this food production method. The proposal is to take place with a tour of the aquaponics hoop house for guests to see firsthand how the farm grows lettuces, other leafy greens, tomatoes, edible flowers, and much more. Following the tour, the guests will gather in the coop lookout venue for an interactive class where the instructor will have a small fish tank aquaponic system on display. The purpose of this fish tank, which is already owned by the farm, is to serve as a scale comparison so that guests can understand that an aquaponic system can be as small or as large as the user intends, and that it can be tailored for any specific use. Finally, each participant will leave with a head of aquaponic grown lettuce that is still contained in its growing medium plug, and this take-home sample is included in the tour fee. Introducing an aquaponics specific tour creates an additional source of revenue and foot traffic for the farm. It aligns with the farm's commitment to educational outreach, and it provides an opportunity for the community to expand their understanding of sustainable food production.